Okay, welcome back. Well, I replaced the greenhouses that we had with the new modded ones. Let me get clear the screen a little bit. So, okay, yeah, with the new modded ones, um, they were a lot cheaper. So I sold what the 6 or 7 that we had, and as you saw, I had $30,000 left. After I sold everything and rebought the other ones, I still had like, I don't know, $90,000. So I had to buy the trailer, which was $10,000. And then what I didn't realize is that the new, I least distracted just because I was too lazy to drive my other tractor there, then back. So what I didn't realize is this new greenhouses, you need liquid fertilizer. So spent like $40,000-$50,000 for nothing. So I thought, here I am doing a great thing. Oh, I'm going to save money. But I think I may have shot myself in the foot. So I am hoping, like anything, that you get better production out of it. Otherwise I'm in trouble. Because, yeah, I saved the money, but I spent the money. So, yeah, not ideal. Let's put it that way. And one other thing that I didn't realize, and you'll see in a minute what I did, is I didn't realize that you needed the fertilizer. So when I placed them, I placed them right, right next to each other, thinking, yay, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna do this and that, and now I may not be able to drive at the back to actually put the fertilizer in. So it may have been more trouble than it's worth. We'll see what happens. If everything that I did was wrong, I may have to just revert to somehow try and, I even tried with pallets, thinking that I didn't have to buy a trailer, just get pallets and fill it in that way. Yeah, but that does not work. At least not that I saw. It didn't work anyway. Oh. You see what I'm saying? This is gonna be the fun bit now. Okay, I think I'm gonna fill this because I think it's gonna drive everybody mad if every time I go anywhere near the camera's gonna do that. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so fertilizer set. Our beans are growing, so that's good. Gonna put this thing over here so I honestly don't know what to do as far as selling. Should I just go and sell the lettuce? Or wait till February? Okay, let's go and get the truck. Send him to Goldcrest. Okay, so get in here. Create job. I'm trying to remember where Goldcrest is. Maybe what I should be doing is I'm getting chili peppers. Okay. Goldcrest tag. Go up here. And that's the Goldcrest right here, right? Yep. So you set destination. And we'll pick the destination right there. Okay, that didn't work. Create job. And you go right there. I should be able to make it because it doesn't have to cross any bridges. It doesn't have to do anything that should be very hard for it. But look at this, even going on the four-wheel driving. Okay, we'll follow it, see what happens. Okay, so this is Goldcrest Valley, but I don't think we can load the train from here. I don't think. Because over here is the end of the map, so you definitely can't load from here. So where would we have a loading ramp? This is why I hate dealing with what do we have? Olive oil, canola oil, farmers market, tag place. I think that's where we'll go, because I don't feel like driving around looking for a place to load and unload the train. I'm pretty sure that I've sold loading before, loading the train and selling off the train before, but you know what, to be really honest, I'm not in the mood to go all the way there. So even though by the looks of it we still got like a good kilometer to go all the way back to, just trying to figure out where the loading decks are. Ah well. Farmers market. So yeah, as you probably saw, depending on how much editing I'm gonna do, which on this video by the looks of it, it's gonna be quite a lot of editing. You saw that I was quite 3 times I think I had to reset it for it to remember. Whoa, to remember where to go. It got stuck on the bridge, it got stuck on a truck, and then a car kept trying to overtake me, and it got stuck on that a couple of times. So yeah, not very good. Come on, where are you, farmers market, huh? It's here somewhere. Yep. Now I realize that we are going to lose a little bit of money, but that's fine. That's not a problem. What do we lose? About 300, so about $3,000, which is that pallet of grain. I had a pallet of grain that I added in just for, I wanted to try something out, but it didn't seem to accept it. So I don't know how I'm going to get rid of it now, but somehow we're going to have to get rid of that pallet of grain. How? We'll never a clue. Well, we'll see what happens. We'll definitely see what happens. Now I got to load all these and take them to, which I don't think I'm going to be able to do it on this truck, to be really honest. And take them to, you know what, I kind of placed the truck in the worst possible place. Take them to the playground and try and sell them there. Okay. Not that I probably didn't do a much better job, because I'm pretty sure you can't fit them this way. I don't know how well, nah, not very well. So I'm gonna have to sort of do that kind of loading and try and load the truck. Can't do both. See, this is why I don't like these new holding a torch in your hand type of thing. You can't have a torch loading and loading, so you can't really have light while you're doing your loading. See, the biggest problem that we're going to have is, how is this truck going to be able to cope with all of this? What are you doing? This is the downsides of using super strength, I suppose. But I don't think it's going to be that clear, because we're going to have to drive the truck. And I got a funny feeling that as soon as we're going to take any corners, whoops, any type of corners, we're going to just, you know, we're just going to stack it, aren't we? Okay. So we don't have that many, 12,000, so 22,000, but look at the height. Okay, so we need to go to playground. Okay. Whoa, that's 2 kilometers away. Let's have a look on the map. Where is this playground? I'm pretty sure. Yep. So it's taking all the way to the other side of the map. Okay, so I think the only way we're even gonna get anywhere near driving this around is if we're doing it like 3 kilometers an hour. And I believe this episode is gonna end up being one of these episodes where, where am I going? Okay, we're gonna have to go down the road over here. I didn't even pay attention that I was kind of just driving the wrong way. It's like what I needed. Let's go country, you know, country roading type of thing, bush bashing kind of thing. And that's what we need. Oops. Okay. I think we're going to have to kind of do the, you know, let's see how fast can we go before we stack it. So 5 kilometers an hour. I think we can do probably 10. 15? Come on. I'll get it there. Now this is going to end up being the shortest episode in the history of survival. Oh, no. Wait, you. Oh, kidding me. You're kidding me. I realized that I'm on the wrong side of the road, but come on, cut me some break. Look what I'm doing. Ah. Oh, this is gonna be not nice. Do we want to go down this hill? Okay, I'll take it. I don't think I'll be doing this anymore. I'm gonna have to use my other trick. Oh my goodness, look where I'm going. Don't sell. Well, we're visiting the map. It's like we're going on a joyride when really we're so top heavy. We're gonna crash any minute. Okay, this is not gonna be fun. So what I'll do is I'll take this myself. Oops. Oh. Ah, come on. Stay on your wheels. Okay, I won't be doing this too much more. This is becoming a pain. Okay, I'll get this sold. I don't know what kind of an episode we're going to get out of this. It's going to be a bit of a joke. Anyway, have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.